Sahih Al-Bukhari 3436, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam said, none spoke in cradle but three. The first was Jesus, the second was there a man from Bani Israel called Jurej. While he was offering his prayer, his mother came and called him. He said to himself, shall I answer her to keep on praying? He went on praying and did not answer her. His mother said, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, do not let him die till he sees the faces of prostitutes. So while he was in his hermitage, a lady came and sought to seduce him, but he refused. So she went to a shepherd and presented herself to him to commit illegal sexual intercourse with her, and then later she gave birth to a child and claimed that it belonged to Jurej. The people therefore came to him and dismantled his hermitage and expelled him out of it and abused him. Jurej performed the ablution and offered prayer and then came to the child and said, O child, who is your father? The child replied, the shepherd. After hearing this, the people said, we shall rebuild your hermitage of gold. But he said, no, of nothing but mud. The third was the hero of the following story. A lady from Bani Israel was nursing her child at her breast. When a handsome rider passed by her, she said, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, make my child like him. On that, the child left her breast and facing the rider said, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, do not make me like him. The child then started to suck her breast again. Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu further said, as if I were now looking at the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sucking his finger in way of demonstration. After a while, the people passed by with a lady slave, and she, i.e. the child's mother, said, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, do not make me my child like this slave girl. On that, the child left her breast and said, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, make me like her. When she asked why, the child replied, the rider is one of the tyrants, while the slave girl is falsely accused of theft and illegal sexual intercourse. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.